Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Misbah Ghulam Abbas and you are watching Mishi Arts, the world of crafts. Today, as you can see, I am making a very easy and quick tutorial of crochet earring hoops. So for that you will be needing a tapestry needle to weave in the ends, a pair of scissors, a hook. Over here I am using 2 mm hook, and you will be needing these hoops, a pair of hoops, and obviously the yarn. The thread I'm using over here is anchor cotton thread, and I'll be using double strand of it because if I'm using it single it's very thin. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So before starting, make a slip knot on your hook. Once you have made the slip knot, you are now going to take your hook and do single crochet on it. Like this, we are going to cover our whole ring. Now the question is how many we have to make. So we have to make 50 single crochets from here till the end. So I have completed my 50 single crochets, and after that our hoop looks something like this. Moving on to the next and the final round, row, we are going to turn our work and make single crochet into the second stitch that you can see of your work. And again single crochet into the next one. Now we are going to do double crochet, but we are going to skip a stitch and then do a double crochet into the next one. Again double crochet by skipping a stitch. Now we are going to make double crochet by skipping 2 stitches. So this is 1 and this is 2. After skipping 2 stitches, I am going to make double crochet into the third stitch. Again skip 2 stitches, and into the third one I am going to make a double crochet. Now we are going to skip 3 stitches and make we are going to make triple crochet into the 1 2 3 4 into the fourth stitch. 1 2 3 and 4. Again yarn over 2 times, skip 3 stitches, and into the fourth one we are going to make Now we are going to skip 4 stitches, and into the fifth one we are going to make treble. This might be a bit difficult, but as you go it will be easy. Again yarn over 2 times, and into the fifth one we are going to make treble. Now we are going to vice versa what we did. So now we are going to skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 like we are going to skip 3 stitches, and into the 4th one we are going to make the treble. Again 1 2 3, and into the 4th one treble. See, our hoop is taking its shape like this. So it is what we did over here in the beginning, we are going to follow after that till the end. Now we are going to skip 3, and make double crochet. 1 2 3. Sorry, we are going to skip 2, and into the 3rd one we are going to make double crochet. Again double crochet into the 3rd one. Again, now we are going to skip 1 and make a double crochet. Skip 1 and a double crochet, and in the end we are going to do a single crochet, and last we are going to make a slip stitch over here, and that's it. Cut the yarn, fasten off, and now we have to weave the ends. And let me tell you one more thing. Now this was the earring. I started from here, and this earring I started from here. Okay, so to keep the both of the sides equal, you have to start with the opposite side. Always remember, whenever you make the earrings, these hoops, you have to be careful that if you are starting the first piece from here, then you have to start the second part from the other side. Okay, from the opposite side, so then it will give it a perfect shape. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so you can be notified whenever the new video is uploaded. Thank you so much. Have a great day.